On a positioner and robot cell, the traditional workflow asks a senior welder to teach every seam by hand. 4 multivariate small batches. Teaching time outruns welding time, and the process library doesn't carry over to new geometry. EVST's EVS-AI 3D vision module takes another path. Scan the workpiece, identify the seam geometry automatically, and generate the torch path. No manual teaching. Vision accuracy holds to plus or minus 0.5 millimeters at 2,000 frames per second. The seam geometry is captured at fine resolution and tracked dynamically. The 3D point cloud feeds into the EVS-AI planner, which finds seam endpoints, joint geometry, and spatial angle, and outputs a robot-ready trajectory program. The generated path then runs in coordinated motion with the welding positioner. The torch follows the trajectory while the positioner rotates, both joined into one welding program as external axes. Changeover isn't reteaching, it's rescanning. Setup time drops from hours to minutes, which is what lets a multivariant small batch welding line absorb orders. Typical applications: irregular steel weldments, V-grooves on battery trays, circumferential seams on pressure vessel shells. Geometry varies, process stays stable, the exact niche for vision-driven teaching. Senior welder skill still matters, but it can no longer be the teaching bottleneck. This is EVST. We put 3D vision into the welding positioner cell to push automation a step further.